professor and is currently taking up his PhD here in our university. He is a member of the Philippine Political Science Association, the Catholic Teachers Guild of the Philippines, co-founder of International Relations Forum in the UST Graduate School, co-founder of Frontier, and the former president of the Political Science Forum in the year 1995-1996. 1996, sorry. He is the advisor of the AB Student Council and the AB Red Cross Unit. Our very able professor, a very handsome professor.
Sabi ya, Bossing! Bossing, anakan mo ako!
Our next debater is also a graduate of political science and he's finished his master's degree and currently taking up his PhD degree. He is a senior researcher in the Philippine Council for Islam and Democracy and the president of ProBirth Incorporated, a research and consultancy group. He is also the executive director of ProBirth and the executive secretary of the Forum on Constitutional Reform. Our favorite professor, Professor Alfred Sureta. In 2005, he finished his master's in political science and has a special course in the University of California. He is finishing his PhD, he is a candidate of PhD, and a founding president and current chairman of the board of ProBirth, the Research and Publication Consultancy, the president of the Electronic Culture Incorporated, National Secretary of the Philippine Political Science Association, Executive Director of the Forum on Constitutional Reforms, Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines Foundation Incorporated in 2000-2001, Consultant, Office of the President, Advisor for Special Concern in 2001 and 2003, Consultant to the National Security Council, National Youth Commission, Union of Local Authority in the Philippines, and Philippine Constitution Association. Our favorite professor, Professor Edwin. Our next debater is a merchant at heart. He graduated in UST. He finishes his elementary, high school, Bachelor of Arts major in Poli and Bachelor of Law in the University of Santo Tomas. He was member of the Integrated Bar of the Philippines in 1986 and up to the present. Officer of the Committee Against Unauthorized Practice of Law, National Committee in 1987 to 1988, International Associate, American Bar Association in the United States of America in 1990 and up to the present, Member Committee on Individual Rights and Responsibility in USA, Director of Arts and Letters Faculty Club in 1994 to 1995, Founding Chair of Totus 8-1 Movement or Totem, an advocacy group of young professionals initially created as a support group for the 10th World Youth Day and Papal Visit in 1995. Coordinator in the class 1985 of the UST Law Alumni Association and the batch president of the UST High School Alumni Association. He is a multi-awarded professor. He got the Pope Leo the 13th Award in 1981, Pope Leo 13th Award in 1983, Gold Leadership Award, Central Coordinating Council, Leadership Award of the UST Central Student Council,